Joint venture problem. Amar, Akbar, and Anthony jointly undertake to erect a building for a joint stock company at a price of 15 lakh rupees to be paid as rupees 12,000 in cash and by cash in installment and rupees 3 lakh in debentures of the company. They agreed to share profit and loss equally. So here Amar, Akbar, Anthony, three persons, they undertake to erect a building for a joint stock company. And here amount of that building was 15 lakh rupees, 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ. ಈ 15 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅವರು? How to get that? 12 lakh rupees cash. They don't get it at one lump sum, but they get it in installments. How the work completes, they get that much amount. And remaining 3 lakh rupees, they get debenture certificate for 3 lakh rupees. Okay, so here this is the main purpose of joint venture. Now, how much they contribute? They contribute as under Amar rupees 1,80,000, Akbar rupees 2 lakh, and Anthony rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so first journal entry to show their contribution. What they did here? These amounts are deposited into a joint bank account. So Amar 1,80,000, Akbar 2 lakh, and Anthony 1 lakh rupees. They opened a joint bank account and they deposited there. So here, what is the first journal entry in the books of joint venture when separate set of books are maintained here? First journal entry ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Who will tell? First journal entry. Okay, joint bank account debit, not debtor. Debtor means it give different meaning. Joint bank account debit to co-ventures. So here 3 co-ventures are there. So we have to divide the amount in between the 3 co-ventures here. So first entry for contribution of the money or capital or investment by the co-ventures here. So that is joint bank account debit to first Amar, who brings Amar's account, he brings 1,80,000 rupees. And second to Akbar's account. Akbar's account, he brings 2 lakh rupees. And the last person, Anthony's account, he brings 1 lakh rupees cash as his investment. So total altogether, how much amount here? 1 lakh plus 2, 3 lakh, 3 lakh plus 1, 4 lakh 80,000. So they contributed 4 lakh 80,000 and deposited the same into joint bank account. And the narration here being contribution made by co-ventures. What we call them here? We call them as a co-ventures. So contribution made by co-ventures. So first journal entry is over. Now the transaction starts. Amar gets the plan prepared and pays rupees 20,000. Here Amar paid 20,000 rupees from his pocket. And Akbar brings in the venture a machinery of rupees 60,000. So Akbar, who brings machinery of worth 60,000 rupees into the construction site. And Anthony brings into a venture a motor truck of the value rupees 50,000. So here, Anthony, he brings truck of worth rupees 50,000 into the venture. So apart from cash, they contributed here for different things. Amar for plan, he paid cash, and Akbar he brought machinery, and Anthony he brought truck into the construction site there. Now, what is the journal entry here to show this entry? So first they contributed the cash and deposited the same into bank. So bank account debited to all the co-ventures account credited. Now this amount, how to show? Who will tell? ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹಾಕೋದು? ಅಮರ್ 20,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಪ್ಲಾನಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟ, ಅಕ್ಬರ್ 60,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಮಷಿನರಿ ತಂದ, ಮತ್ತು ಆಂಟೋನಿ 50,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿದ್ದು ಟ್ರಕ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ. Here, okay, right. Here, joint ventures account is debited because it is an expenses to the joint venture. Joint venture has to pay this amount, but here co-ventures are paying. If joint venture paid, it will pay it through the bank account, but here they only Amar is paying the cash from his pocket. Remaining 2 persons, they brought ready machine and a truck. They are not paid, but the worth of that much amount they brought into the joint venture here. So here this is an expenses to the joint venture. Joint venture idenu ಖರ್ಚು. So ಖರ್ಚು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ joint venture account debit ಆಗಬೇಕು. So here these people are contributed that. So your account ಗೆ credit ಹಾಕ್ರಿ. They are a giver of those things to the joint venture. So journal entry here, joint venture account, joint venture account debit to first Amar's account. He has paid rupees 20,000, and next Akbar's account, he has brought machinery of 60,000 rupees, and next Anthony's account, he has brought in 50,000 worth truck into the joint venture. So all together they contributed how much amount here? 20 plus 60, 80,000, 80,000 plus 50,000, 1,30,000 they have contributed. 1,30,000 is debited to the joint venture account. So narration being various expenses made by co-ventures. So here we can make 3 separate journal entries, or we can show it in one single journal entry. So just to know what they have contributed, write that in bracket here. Amar has paid for plan, Akbar has brought machinery worth 60,000, and Anthony brought truck for reference. Okay, now next huge expenses are there. That is they brought materials worth 7,50,000, and they paid wages 4,95,000. So wages, when they will pay the wages? After work is completed. Okay, so in the beginning itself they don't pay the wages, and to pay such huge amount, they don't have that much amount in their bank, and even 7,50,000 rupees material. So here also that much amount is not there. So we assume that they have collected installments here. Collected the price of that building, 12 lakh rupees in installment they have collected. So to show that here, we assume that all 12 lakh rupees is received. 12 laksha purti hana ಇಸ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀರಿ? 12 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಕ್ಯಾಶ್, 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಡಿಬೆಂಚರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟು ದಿ ಜಾಯಿಂಟ್ ವೆಂಚರ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ವುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಹಿಯರ್? ಜರ್ನಲ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Joint venture account is just like profit and loss account. So all the incomes are credited. So here when we receive contract price, it is an income to the joint venture. So it should be credited. Then what would be debited here? We can't debit the person or the company which gives money, because credit is the giver. So where that money will come, who will receive that money on behalf of the joint venture? Our bank will receive that money. Okay, so bank account is debited and joint venture account is credited here. Along with the final amount 12 lakh rupees, here part of contract price worth 3 lakh rupees debentures are collected here. So that should be also be debited here. So the journal entry to show the collection of contract price: joint bank account debit 12 lakh rupees, joint debentures account 3 lakh rupees, to joint venture account credited for 15 lakh rupees. Okay, so now the journal entry, third journal entry, joint bank account debit 12 lakh rupees. Next, debentures account debit 3 lakh rupees to joint venture account credited for 15 lakh rupees. Narration: being contract price received in cash and debentures and part in debentures. Okay, so now next journal entry to show the various expenses to purchase material and to pay the wages. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಹಿಡಿದು ತೋರಿಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ, wages and material, no. Directly joint bank account is credited because joint bank account is giver of that money, and joint venture account is debited because joint venture account is expenses to the joint venture account. So it is debited to joint venture account. So next entry, fourth entry, is joint venture account debit rupees. Total amount I write here. 7,50,000 plus 4,95,000. How much? 7,50,000 plus 4,95,000. Total 12,45,000. 12,45,000. To banker is the giver. So credit joint bank account rupees 12,45,000. Narration: being material bought and expenses paid. Expenses on wages paid. Okay, to show the expenses. Next entry: on completion of the venture, Amar takes over an unused material of the value of 35,000. Here, Amar is taking unused material which is worth 35,000, and Akbar takes back the machinery. So Akbar brought machinery worth 60,000 rupees, and he is now taking it back, valuing it as a 40,000 rupees. Now Anthony takes back the truck of rupees 20,000. So Anthony brought in a truck worth 50,000 rupees, and now he is taking it back, valuing at rupees 20,000. So these are the income or expenses what it is to the joint venture. Joint venture ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ? ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟೀರಿಯಲ್ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಬೇರೆದವ್ರು ಮಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಹಣ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು, ಆ ಮಷಿನರಿ ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ರಕ್ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರಿಗಾದ್ರೂ ಮಾರಿದ್ರೆ ಹಣ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. So instead of selling to the outsiders, valuing it, so valued at their cost, and they are given to the co-ventures. So co-ventures account is debited as they are the receiver of those benefits, and joint venture account is credited as it is a income to the joint venture. Okay, so next journal entry here, write all three persons' name in one journal entry. I am showing first Amar's account. Amar's account debit. He has taken material worth 35,000 rupees. Next, Akbar's account. Akbar's account debit. He has taken machinery valuing at 40,000 rupees. 40,000 rupees. And Anthony's account debited for truck taken back. So total to joint venture account. Joint venture account. So total amount credited here 35,000 plus 40, 75,000 plus 20,000, 95,000. 95,000. So narration, being remaining stock, machinery and truck taken over by co-ventures. So remaining stock of material, machinery and truck taken over by co-ventures. Now next, what they tell here. When the contract price was fully received, they have taken all this. Amar took over the debentures at a valuation of 2,60,000 rupees. So see here, debentures of what amount here? 3 lakh rupees. So 3 lakhs rupees worth debentures are valued at 2,60,000, and they are taken by whom? Amar. So Amar is the receiver of those debentures, and it is income to the joint venture. So here, narration, entry, Amar's account debit to debentures account. Debentures account. Just a minute. Here there is a loss of rupees 40,000. He has not taken 3 lakh rupees debentures for 3 lakh. So there is a loss. Loss is for what? Joint venture. So joint venture account should be debited for the discount he has taken here. Okay, that is here joint venture account. Joint venture account debit. So here 2,60,000 and joint venture account 40,000 to debenture account. Debenture account 3 lakh rupees. That means debenture. So here Amar's account debited 2,60,000 rupees, and the loss 40,000 rupees is an expenses or loss to the joint venture. So joint venture account is debited for 40,000 rupees, and debenture account is closed here by showing 3 lakh rupees. Now debenture account is closed. Okay. So narration being debentures taken over by Amar at 2,60,000 rupees, and loss transferred to joint venture. Loss transferred to joint venture. So by now here we completed all the transactions. Is it? Now it's a time to close the joint venture. So now it's a time to calculate profit and loss, what they made here. Whether in this business joint venture made a profit or incurred a loss. So how to find that? So profit and loss will be known by preparing joint venture account only. But here we are preparing journal entries. If in exam only question is asked to write journal entries only, then how to find whether they made profit or loss? So when we prepare joint venture account, we make total of both debit and credit side. And if credit side total is more, we deduct debit side total from credit side total, and we tell it as a profit. And if debit side total is more, then we deduct credit total from debit total, and the difference amount we tell it as a loss. So instead of preparing a separate ledger here, just take the amount in front of joint venture account wherever we mentioned here. So first we take amount of total of joint venture account wherever it is credited. So first here no joint venture account. Here joint venture account debited, leave it. So here joint venture account is credited. So credited for 15 lakh rupees. 15 lakh rupees credit amount, 15 lakh rupees plus next where we credited. Here we credited joint venture account 95,000. So 15 lakh plus 95,000. So total credited total is 15 lakh 95,000 rupees. 15 lakh 95,000, and debit side total now. Make total of debit entries. So here no joint venture account. Here joint venture account is debited for 1,30,000 rupees. So debit 1,30,000 rupees. Next, here it is credited. Here joint venture account is debited for 12,45,000. So plus 12,45,000. Next, here joint venture account credited. Here joint venture account debited for rupees 40,000. Okay, so plus 40,000. So what is the total of debit side here? 1,30,000 plus 12,45,000 plus 40,000. So how much? What is the total of debit side here? That is a 14,15,000. So what is the difference here? What is the difference? $1,80,000. So here credited total is more. So the difference amount 1,80,000 is the profit made by the joint venture. Now this amount has to be divided between the co-ventures. So what is the ratio here? So at what ratio they are dividing the profit and losses in this co-venture? So in first paragraph, they mentioned that equally. Equally means 1,80,000 is divided by 3, and whatever amount comes, it has to be given to the or credited to the co-ventures account. So how much each will get here? So here profit 1,80,000 divided by 3, that is 60,000. So each of co-ventures, Amar, Akbar and Anthony will get here 60,000 rupees as the share of their profit from the joint venture business. Okay. Now the journal entry to distribute the profit. So here profit is distributed between the co-ventures. So what journal entry will come here? Debited. Joint venture account is debited here. Okay. So here joint venture account debit 1,80,000 rupees to Amar's account 60,000 rupees to Akbar's account 60,000 rupees and to Anthony's account 60,000 rupees. Narration being profit transferred to co-ventures account. So now we have distributed the profit between the co-ventures. It's time to make a total of each co-ventures account and finding how much money should be given to the co-ventures or how much money should be collected from the co-ventures. To know whether money should be given to the co-ventures or money should be collected from the co-venture, make total of both debit and credit entries of each co-venture here. Then take the difference. So if debit total is more, if debit side total is more, it means co-venture should give money to the joint venture. If credit side money is more, so joint venture should give money to the co-venture. Debit side total ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ರೊಕ್ಕ ಇಸ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಕ್ರೆಡಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ co-venture ಗೆ ಹಣ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು. Okay, now so take down the next journal entry where amount is collected from the Amar. So Amar is the giver of the money and bank is receiver of that money. Debit the receiver and credit the giver. So next journal entry is joint bank account debit rupees 35,000. Joint bank account debit rupees 35,000 to Amar's account credited rupees 35,000. So joint bank account debit 35,000 to Amar's account 35,000. Narration B, excess money collected from Amar. Being excess money collected from Amar. And last and final journal entry to make final settlement to Anthony and Akbar. So here Amar has given the money. Akbar and Anthony will get money. So they are receiver of the money. So through bank joint venture pays the money to both. So joint bank account is credited here. So last journal entry, take down Akbar's account debit rupees 2,80,000 Akbar's account debit rupees 2,80,000. Next, Anthony's account debit rupees 1,90,000. Anthony's account debit rupees 1,90,000 to joint bank account rupees 4,70,000 to joint bank account rupees 4,70,000. I repeat, Akbar's account debit rupees 2,80,000. Anthony's account debit rupees 1,90,000 and credit entry to joint bank account rupees 4,70,000. Narration: being final settlement made. Being final settlement made to co-ventures. Okay. Now, last task, whether what journal entries we made here are correct or not, to cross check. Bank account. So wherever joint bank account is came in the journal entries here, so first make total of all debit, all debits, make total of all debit joint bank account, and then make total of all credit joint bank account here. So first, joint bank account debited 4,80,000 plus joint bank account 12 lakh. Next, joint bank account, only two entries are debited, that is 4,80,000 plus 12 lakh. Okay. Next, credits. Yeah, joint bank account credited 12,45,000 and here. Okay. So amount is collected from the Amar also 35,000, that is debited. Okay. So 4,80,000 plus 12 lakh plus 35,000. Okay. Total 17,50,000. Okay. Now credit total here 15 lakh. Okay. And here 12,45,000. 15 lakh and 12,45,000 and now to these partners where we credited, that is 4,70,000. So whether total is 7,15,000 here. So here we, if total both the side total 17,50,000, then our journal entries are correct here. This is how we prepare or write journal entries in the books of joint venture when separate set of books are maintained.